All of you are able to see the screen? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Just shake your
Yes,
head.
ma'am.
Acha. Okay.
Yes,
Listen
ma'am.
to me. Just you will shake your head. No need to unmute. Got it? And no need
Ma'am,
to.
in these holidays, I previously read the chapter.
Okay, very good. That's very nice of you. Okay. Now, let me start the chapter. This one, the
Ma'am,
chapter is. Yes,
ma'am,
say.
in summative assessment 2, chapter 15 and 16 are not completed of maths.
Summative assessment 2. Beta, just now so we have started class. So, I hope you have
Yes.
not got your new routine. Basically, in the new routine, you will have to solve maths. You will have to do the class of mathematics on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And on Tuesday and Thursday, I will continue computer. Okay, beta? Shreya?
Okay, ma'am.
So tomorrow again I will
Yes, ma'am.
start mathematics. Got it?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Now everybody mute yourself. Everybody. Okay, now look at this. Basically, in chapter 8, we have to learn what are the basic difference between calculator and computer. What are the basic difference between computer and calculator? Now look at this. Before reading all the things, I will just show you these two pictures. Are you able to see these two pictures? Just shake your head, okay? Acha. Okay, Shuprit, Alvi, Pranavi, are you able to see it? Okay, good. Acha, now look at this. Alvi, concentrate. Alvi and Aratrika, okay? Acha, now look at this. Basically, about computer, all of we already learned in the previous chapter, okay? But what is calculator? It is also an electronic device, okay? It is also an electronic device through which we calculate everything easily. Alvi, I warned you already. First mute yourself, then keep quiet. Keep quiet. Yes. Okay, now it is also an electronic device, okay, where look, it has also a screen. Are you able to see the screen? And it has also a keyboard. Look at this. There are some keys. So basically, with the help of this keyboard and this key, and with the help of this electronic device, we can easily calculate anything. Anything means what? Numeric calculation. Okay? That means that's why in this keyboard only numeric keys are there. 1, 2, 3, and some symbols of maths. Okay? But in this keyboard, we cannot get A, B, C, this type of alphabetic keys we cannot get in this calculator. Understood? Is it clear? So now look at this. With the help of calculator, what to do? We can calculate anything. Suppose 29 plus 15 is equal to what? We have to find by using this calculator in this keyboard. If you press 29, then there is one symbol key also, plus then if you put 15, then you will just directly get the answer. Okay, understood? Is it clear? Shake your head. No need to unmute, no need to say yes or no. Just shake your head if you have understood this one. Lamia, Sholanki, all the student, you can just shake your head if you have understood. Okay. Acha, Pushpak beta, keep your camera on. Okay, now look at this. So, what are the common thing in between them and what are the difference between them? Today we will learn. Acha, now common thing we can say, look, here is also a screen. Here is also a screen. Yes, though. Okay. And here Shuhana, sit properly. And look, here is also a keyboard. In computer also we have our keyboard. Okay, up to this done. Understood? Now look, both runs in electricity, by electricity only. Okay, now look, in calculator we use usually battery. Okay, and here computer also there is UPS, right, which supplies electricity. Understood? Now the next one. Okay, now for the next one I'll show you the screen. It will be better, all of you, because you will mark also. All of you open the book, open at page number 60. All of you opened? Okay. Now just mark this one which I am telling you. Acha, what are common thing in computer and calculator? Look, here it is given. First we will find out the similarities between calculator and computer. Look at this. Okay, mute yourself. Okay, acha, now they are, look, both have a screen. Yes, just now I told you. Both of them process data. Yes, obviously, because when you type something, then there is a processing, there is a way, after that you will get the result. Okay, now both of them work very fast. Exactly, both of them make no mistake. Okay, acha, basically for first I have marked this side point. Okay, it is written 1 2 here, 3 here, 4 here. Okay, I am just explaining first this first column. Okay, now in the next column, look at this. Both have keys, both run on electricity, both of them work, okay, tirelessly. Tirelessly means what? Basically, you can do up to which there is no limit. Okay, you can, suppose you are for the whole day you are using the calculator. Okay, it will work. Got it? Aratrika, Rishabh, Anubhav, Ishan, Supreet. Okay, beta. Now look at this. All the student mark this point, so this 6.7 points. Okay. All the student marked. Okay, good. Ha, Rishabh, I can see you have the calculator. Okay. Acha, now Kushal, Mohammad Riaz, Riddhima, Rishit. Keep your camera on. Keep your camera on. Acha, okay, now look at this. Now, there are some features of computer and calculator. Individually, some features are given over there. Now, what are the basic features of computer, calculator? Okay. And with the help of, when we will read that features, we can easily find out the difference between them. Okay. Now, let us read the features first. Look at this calculator. A calculator is a single page device. Okay. But when I'll read one by one the features of calculator, then only I'll read the features of computers also. Okay, look, a computer has many parts. That means we are also getting their differences, na? Yes, to. Ankon Patra, Ankon Jana, yes or no? Just shake your head. Okay, so are you marking? Have you marked on the book? Okay. Shaptorshi Muhammad Tarsid, got it? The first point. Okay, next. Acha, why it is single device? Look, only calculator you can see that one device only. But here look, monitor, keyboard, many parts are there, na? Okay. Now look at this. Next one, calculator have a keyboard with numbers and mathematical symbols only. I just told you. Only symbols are there, and it is numeric, basically numeric keyboard. Okay, so now look at this. Numbers and symbols are there only, but in computer we have alphabetic keys, okay, special keys, function keys, okay. So these are extra. Mark these two. Up to this, if all of you understood, then you can just shake your head if you have understood. Kushal, Rishit, Riddhima, okay, I'm not taking the name individually, just you will shake your head, huh? Okay, good. Pornik, Alvi, Sheikh Jisham Ali and Avigyan. Beta, are you writing Avigyan? Okay, and Sheikh Jisham Ali. Acha, okay, next Otrika, Shanvi and Aratrika. Okay, done beta up to this? No, not done. Okay, I'm
Yes,
waiting.
ma'am.
Acha, okay, Otrika, good. Shanvi, I'm waiting first. Acha, okay, Shanvi, now I am reading the next point. Okay, beta? Okay. Look, what is the next point? Acha, in calculator, basically it is numeric keypad. That's why we can say it can process only numeric information, yes or no. It has no alphabetic keyboard, no alphabet key. Alphabetic key is not there. So that's why it can process only numeric information. But in case of computer, what will be? Numeric and non-numeric also. Yes, though. Yes or no, just shake your head. Okay. Okay, good. Acha, now Ankush Guchai, sit properly. Acha, now look at this. Next point. Acha, mark this one also. Computer can process numeric information as well as non-numeric information. Okay. And instruction. Mark this one, Shanvi, beta first. Now the next one. Acha, computer usually stores data, na? You have learned in the previous chapter. Computer store data, so yes, okay. But calculator basically cannot store information or instruction. Got it? But basically at present, when you will be in higher class in scientific calculator are there, where there is a feature where we can store little bit numeric information. Okay, but no need to learn, think about that. Okay, right now you will have to learn about this calculator. Okay, so basically computer can store data, instruction, information, but calculator cannot store. Mark this point first. Up to this, is there any doubt? If no, then shake your head. No. Okay. Pushpak, Shreyam, up to this clear to? Acha, okay, no doubt. Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, okay. Acha, Devi, yes, you can unmute yourself. Beta, Devi, same.
Ma'am.
हाँ बेटा, same.
Sorry. Good morning, ma'am. Happy New
Good
Year.
morning. Yes, Happy New Year. Beta, what happened? Why have you raised your hand?
Ma'am, sorry, I joined late. So.
Yes, I have observed that one, that you have joined late. Okay, no issue, beta. I will upload the video. See the video. Okay. The first question. Okay, okay. Pranavi, do you have any doubt, beta? Pranavi? Pranavi, first keep your camera on. I know you are drinking water. That's why you have turned off your camera. So, beta, no issue. If you are drinking water, no problem. Beta, keep your camera on. Okay. Acha, Devi. Devi, mute yourself. Devi, mute yourself.
My network is probleming. I am trying, but it's not.
Beta, mute yourself. Okay, okay. Acha, now look at this. Now the next one. Acha, Devi, wait. I am going to mute you. Huh? Just wait. Question is, what is the meaning of instruction? Instruction means basically, Alvira, while we are giving some comment to you, suppose I am telling you, Alvira, sit properly and drink water. That means it is a instruction. It is an instruction. Got it? Then you will listen to me now. That means I am instructing you to sit properly and to drink water. Beta, understood? Okay. Acha. Now look at this. Now mark this portion. Acha, most of the calculator works with battery or cells. Just mark this one. A calculator. Acha, here let me take the next point, and all computer works on electricity. Okay. Now the next one, a calculator cannot draw picture, but yes, in computer you can draw picture, right? Okay, now mark this one. Next one, computer has a small screen, but computer has a big screen. Okay. Up to this, I think all of you understood, na? All this point. Shake your head if yes. Shake your head if yes. Okay. Acha, okay, good. Okay, Shreyam beta, I cannot see you. Where are you? Sit properly. Yes. Keep the camera in such a way so that I can see you. Now it's okay. Yes. Acha, now look at this. Next 3 points, 3 features are extra in computer. Let me read this one. Just mark this one. A computer can provide information to the user. Yes, you have already learned this one. Okay. Mark this one. Next one. A computer perform repetitive work and calculations rapidly and accurately. Okay. Achha, am I audible to you properly? Just shake your head. Shake your head, Devi. Am I audible to you properly? Achha, okay.
Ma'am, what is the pronunciation of REPETIVE?
Yes, say beta again. I cannot even hear you properly. Say again, beta. Beta, again I'm explaining. Look, I'll share the screen. It will be better for you.
Yes.
Acha, wait. Then wait. All of you are able to see it? Now, yes, though. Okay. Now, Shreyam, this one is given. Wait, let me mark the word,
Yes.
You are telling about this. Repetitive. Okay. That means, basically, suppose a work or a job is continuously going on. That means more than one time. Okay. Repeated. You can say repeat. That is. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
More than one times it is we are doing this one. Okay. And the next one, look. Next one you have asked me rapidly. Rapidly means very fast. Okay.
Yes.
Very
Yes,
fast. Okay.
And accurately?
Accurately means without any mistake. Exactly. Without any mistake. Correctly.
Hello, ma'am.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, say beta.
Hello, ma'am.
Say.
What is the meaning? What is the meaning of decision based?
Acha, this one.
Decision based.
Next point. Next
What is
point.
the meaning?
I have not explained the next point. Let me explain the last point now. Okay. A computer can make decision based on different condition. Acha, decision based means basically which can take who can decide himself or herself. Suppose when you are giving any information to the computer, okay, it can take decision itself. Got it or not? Understood, Tom? And it shows the result
Got it.
accurately. Okay. Now look at this. Acha, now some important points are there, key points are there, or key notes are there. Look at this. A calculator is a single piece device. A computer has many parts. Okay, just mark this. You can pick or you can underline whatever you want. Okay. Acha, Shreyam, beta, keep your camera on. Shreyam.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Calculator cannot store information and instruction. Computer can process numeric information and instruction as well as non-numeric. Here it is written, computer can process numeric instruction and information as well as non-numeric also. Okay. Acha, now, computer has a large capacity to store information and instruction. You have learned about hard drives. Yes, RAM, ROM, I told na in the previous chapter. Okay. Now just shake your head, all the student, if you have understood up to this. Then on Thursday, I can start the exercise. Okay. Those
Yes,
who have
ma'am.
understood,
this.
Okay. No need to shout.
Ma'am, I
No need to
understood.
shout. Just you can raise your hand. If you have understood, you can just raise your hand. Send me that hand stick card. Devi, just send me the stick card. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have to.
Without any mistake. It
What?
calculates exactly properly without any mistake. It calculates, it gives the result without any mistake. Okay. The correct answer. It will only show you the correct thing. Got it?
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Now let me check the book.
is minimum function?
Yes, a function. Function you don't know.
Yes.
Already you have learned the function of keyboard, function of keys. Basically, function means what to do or what not to. Okay, suppose what is the job of this? Okay, function means you can say वो क्या करता है, इसका काम क्या है. Understood? By the way, you will have to talk in English. Yes. This key.
Sorry, ma'am.
You will have to learn. Okay. Achha, now let me check your book and let me take the attendance. Now I'll check each and everyone's book and I'll take the attendance as well. Okay. The name I'll take. Okay.